Hey, what is up guys, it's Killer Shark and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. In today's video, we're going to be entering a code to get a very rare item. I'm so excited. Okay, this comes with a Roblox gift card. So 2, 6, 8, 2, 0, and bam, I should get the thing now. Bam. Bam. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I actually somehow got it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now we can look all swagger with this top hat. I obviously look really good. So I'm gonna go to creations. I'm gonna go to the avatar base that I made. And then oh god, my skin tone. Jeez, that's so ugly. We don't want that skin tone. We want this skin tone. Then we want to go ahead. And the Domino top hat. Bam. Load. I look so beautiful. It's so big. It's so big. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is just. That is a masterpiece. That just looks so good. Honestly, it's like one of the best investment. Wait, this would look good with it, right? Please, come on. Okay, it doesn't look good. But yeah, I obviously look swagger with this. So I'm gonna go shirt, pants, and okay. What should I wear? I'm gonna wear my Gap shirt, obviously, because you get Domino top hats from the Gap. And I got my Robux. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do like we're gonna do that because I want the black pants. Amazing. Now I look just now I just look swagger. Jeez. Recent. Oh, and then where's the animation? Characters purchased, and then I'm going to do still getting used to computer, but toy animation. Come on, this is gonna look so sick. It's probably not, honestly. But wait, what would the Shaggy look like with this? What would the Sapphire top hat look like? I want to see if the Sapphire top hat would look like with this. That would probably look so stupid. Wait, let me try the Sapphire top hat. Wait, what would this look like? Oh, this looks so. Wait, this actually it doesn't look bad. Wait. Whoa, I look so epic. Yeah, well, this top hat is obviously a lot bigger. Like, I think they made this top hat a little bit too big. I mean, I think it's because I have like a lot of hair over there and like the big brain stuff and like. Wait. Let me go to hair. Yeah, this is obviously like a really the back isn't like too detailed. But like yeah, we got like the domino. They're pretty sick. Oh wait, sparkle time, Shaggy, look good. Don't fail me, Shaggy. Okay, the top hat failed me, but. Oh my gosh, I look so good. Don't zoom into that character. Jeez, I look swag. Oh yeah, and also I got a different accessory too. I got this. I got that dude. The staring raccoon guy. Squirrel, I don't know what he is, okay? Dang, I just look sick. I think everyone can agree with that, honestly. And I got Robux. The first thing we're gonna buy with it. First thing we're getting. Wait a minute. Wait. If I can just get like 8 more Robux, that would like I'd still have over 1,000, or I'd still have 1,000. Because I'm about to spend something for like 8,800. So if I can give Robux, like please let me. Don't do the thing where like I recently got it transferred and it won't let me. No. Okay. Well, that sucks, but. Hey, things in life suck. Oh, wait. Face. I'm probably going to, like, buy an expensive face. Maybe, I don't know. Face. Winky guy. I'm actually going to do 2D so I can just see the face. Actually, 3D because this top hat is just... It's big and chunky. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. What does this look like? The know-it-all grin is very good. Please, go, do your thing. Know-it-all grin. Please, don't fail me. Oh, wow, I actually look pretty cool. What's What's this? What's this? Whoa. Wait, what about this? So, oh wow. Oh wow. That looks pretty cool. Yeah. Oh wait, I also have to get one more thing. We have one more addition to this. To this very good thing. Alright, what do we got? What is it? Work clock. Luxury R headphones, try on. I want to try these on. Or no, yeah, try on. Character, load, please. 4K Robux for that? It's kind of a scam. F and F items. Okay, this won't let me do it, so I'll just imagine this is blue. Or I'll imagine this is red. Or I could just buy it. This is so my character. I think I just broke Roblox. Oh wow, that actually looks pretty good. Wait, is there like a white or black version of this? Wait a minute. Let me copy that. Yes, let me see if this is a thing. Please be a thing. Please. Oh, there's purple. Is there white? There better be white. No, I don't. I mean, I'd want the work clock headphones because those obviously look the best. What are the purple ones like? I want to see what the purple ones are like. Please be good. Please be good. Not bad, okay? I think the red ones are the best. I'm gonna go look at it. I'm gonna try the red ones. I might want to like buy it. I don't know. Oh. Okay, I'll think about it. But something that we are going to buy. Well, we have this epic swag after. Wait, we have to make this a character. Creations. No, characters. Recent. No, I don't want recent. I want characters and then creations. Create new outfit. Then swagger. Then. Yeah, create. And yeah, these dominoes, like, they're kind of like the domino crown, but like better. If you know what I'm saying? You probably don't because you're not swagger. Okay, if you want to be swagger, you have this. Yeah, and then the battle pass update happens, so we're gonna like buy that. we're gonna buy that battle pass right there, right now. We do be getting some battle pass, and then we're going to have like 990 Robux left because if I had 8 more Robux, I would have been able to have exactly 1,000 left. Dude, don't tell me the top hat doesn't work. Oh, yes! It works! Like, unlike some Despacito spider. That is so good. I'm so glad this actually works. Now I can just be swagger. There should be a swagger title, seriously. Battle Pass. And now we're going to buy Battle Pass for... Wait! They changed the price. I feel so bad for my friend Ethan right now. He bought it when it was... Dude, we're buying it. It's 800. Bam! Dude, nice. Okay, so we're close to getting that kit, actually, in the battle pass. So if we go to our locker here, we're gonna... Dude, where's our extra stuff? I think we have to rejoin. Yeah, I think we have to rejoin when we get the stuff. Yeah. That's probably what it is, and if it's not, I'll just like give it some time. And if I somehow don't get it by that point, I got scammed. Okay, but the point is, I still have 1,000 Robux left. I've won. Yeah, that's so cool. I feel so bad. Wait, I'm texting my friend. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. So I should have the stuff now. Yes. Oh wow. I'm obviously doing this. Kill effects. Explode. Titles. What do we got? Bot. Invite me. I'm gonna do bot title. Yes, obviously yes. I am a bot, as you guys all know, totally. So yeah, we're gonna lose in a game of Bedwars quickly. So, yeah, I'm really excited. Use these dominoes on this domino crown to win some Bedwars. And I'm probably going to buy like headphones or something. These headphones look cool with this avatar. And I think I also got some codes for some like other stuff maybe. Like I have Roblox Piggy DLC codes if people still care about that. I could give those away. The fact that this is such a tall top hat, I look swagger. Who agrees? Yeah, I want people to inspect my avatar and be like, OMG, this guy is like a domino crown or something, I don't know. But it's a domino top hat, so like, oh, it doesn't show my, monkey on my shoulder, my thing, my raccoon chipmunk. I don't know what that is, with like big wide eyes. Hopefully this makes me better at Bedwars. Also, spray. I want to spray. Spraying is so much easier on computer. On mobile, you have to, like, click it, like, 10 times while clicking the place you want to spray in. Wait, don't tell me there's not a cooldown, right? Wait, oh, yeah, there's a cooldown. Yeah, there's a cooldown. Okay. I'm bad at speed bridging on computer, but here goes nothing. This guy is so stupid he doesn't know I'm here. Oh, wow. I'm gonna combo this guy like it's 2015. Oh, no. Oh, wait, no, he's getting my bed. Oh, gosh. Please. Armor. Please give me armor. I want armor. I want chicken tenders from Chick-fil-A. No! Yes. I like how he's using fireballs. Like, that's just really smart. Dude, how dare you? You made me lose my top hat. This is, like, under, like, the law. Or, against the law. I glitched. Yeah, back to lobby. I knew I'd lose. Oh, wow, I actually lost. Or, I got stuff from, like, losing. That's kind of weird. I think that's not even a bug. I think you just, like, get stuff for losing now. Which is fine, actually. Now, we have, like, 1,000 Robux left, so I'm gonna buy a kit I've been wanting to buy. Yeah, I know, I'm buying the Vulcan, okay? I'm buying him! Bam, I got him. Yes, equip. I'm using the Vulcan. How much Robux do I have? I want to see how much Robux I have. I probably, like, don't have much. I have 600, right? Dang, that's fine. I'm gonna save the rest, actually. Unless something, like, really cool comes up. So, yeah. This is, like... I'm not gonna be spending all my Robux today. That's not what I do. Okay, sorry. I'll shut up now. So, yeah, we're gonna turret spam. Well, actually, we don't have time in the video, so I'm just gonna end it here. I'll do a showcase video on it. Bye!